So on the 3rd of April I was at Bromsgrove, planning to see some of the trains around that area. However, my first catch today was 1M66, the 1343 West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Hereford with 172345. And then this is 2P33, the 1348 West Midlands Railway service to Lichfield on Trent with 323219 and 323215. And then my last catch today was 4V38, the delay 1337 turned up at 1350, direct rail service to Whitlock Freightliners from Daventry DRS Tesco with 66433.